Good morning from Calayan, Laguna. It's a province in the Philippines. Good morning. Yeah, I'm about to go watch a waterfall, beautiful waterfall. I love nature. Nature is my favorite thing. I don't like the big cities. I like the province lifestyle, you know. It's a lot more, the pollution is a lot less. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is where I'm staying, down below. Okay, that's the road. I'm going up to watch a beautiful, nice waterfall. Let's try this again. I'm on my way to this waterfall in Laguna, Calayan. That's the area where I am. I love the provinces. Hear all the roosters. Magandang umaga. Kumusta ka? Magandang umaga. I'm telling them good morning, how they doing in Tagalog. This area, you know, the Philippines has more than 200 languages, but the main language that they speak is Tagalog, and English as a second language, you know. So it's magandang umaga. It took me a while before I can remember magandang umaga. Good morning. Magandang umaga. She said afternoon. It's morning. Hello. Good. Huh? Magandang umaga. That's a motorbike. I haven't been in one of those yet. Good morning. Magandang umaga. I don't know if it's open yet. I don't know the hours of operation, but I'm out of breath. Because when you're out of shape, yeah, it's hard to climb the hills, you know, even though it's not that high. See that? Province lifestyle. It's like a jungle over here, and I love that. Hello. I love nature. Oh man, I'm so out of breath. Why? Because I'm out of shape. I'm trying to stay in shape. That's tough though. Especially when you have like so many places. Always in a car. This is called a jeepney. Yeah, I've been on one of those. First day. Was it the first day? No, the second day when I got here. Yeah, beautiful nature. All you hear is waterfall, the roosters, birds chirping, you know. I think the fee to get in is about 50 pesos. Not a whole lot at all. To come and enjoy a beautiful nature waterfall. You see that? That's beautiful. Yeah. Magandang umaga. I said it fast, huh? I'm catching on really quick. Yeah, it's called Twin Falls. Yeah, the place is called Twin Falls. It's in Calayan, Laguna. You see lots of motorbikes. That's Asia, not just the Philippines, but it's all over Asia. Motorbike is the main transportation here. It's a lot of fun, but it's also so dangerous. Good morning. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Yes, one.
Solo flight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
May meron kayong ice? Meron na yun.
Ang ticket.
Dalawa pa. 1 peso. Oh, meron pa. Ano? Solo flight, sir. Only one? No more kasama?
No, they all went out.
Why?
They have all the stuff to do. We've already been here. I just want to. This is my second time coming back. Yeah. I just love nature and waterfalls. You know. Yeah.
Okay. Anong tama?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Change.
Okay. Thank you for your honesty.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. We are here.
Yeah.
We are entering nature. Beautiful nature.
Ano kaya? Ay, later. Okay.
Yep. I hope you can see. Wait. I went to photo. Okay. Video. See down below? I've already been here, but this is my second time. The first time I was here was like 3 days ago, but I haven't posted that video yet, which was the second day I've been here. See that? Yeah, I gotta be careful because those stairs are slippery. I do not want to fall. No, sir, I do not. Okay, so I'm just gonna focus on going up so I don't slip and fall. I don't want to make some of you laugh. I used to laugh my you know what off when someone fall, but you grow, you become more mature. It's not funny when someone is hurt. Pain is no joke. Do you see what I see? See what I see? Oh yeah. Beautiful nature, huh? All right. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. I gotta get my tickets out. Good thing I didn't throw them away. Because I have to show them where I got them from. Where did I put them? Where did I put them? Okay, right here. Magandang umaga. That's good? Okay. All right. Okay, now I am in. You gotta go through 2 different procedures, which is, you know, I don't have a problem with that. Oh, there you go. It's all packed this morning. Wow. It is packed. Well, let's check this one out first. Magandang umaga. You hear that? Yeah, people are having fun there. Okay, I'm gonna give you a GoPro view. I don't want to get copyrighted. See that? Oh yeah. This is nature. And voila. See what it looks like. See that? The kids are enjoying it. Beautiful. There we go. See, having fun already. I gotta be careful. See that? Oh yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, come on. I'm not doing anything. Why are you barking at me? This guy was barking.
Just barking.
Oh, look at that fish. I love that. Hey, how you doing? Yeah? Cooking, huh?
My brother in another matter.
Yes, sir. That's how it's done here. Beautiful
How are
fish.
you, my brother?
Good, 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 good. Yeah. Thank you. Good to see you. Hello. Hi. Hey, how you doing? Wow, it's packed here today. The first time I came, it wasn't as packed.
Can you speak Tagalog?
No, not really. Umaga and umaga or something like that. That's it, right?
Hindi ko naintindihan. Again.
So how do you say it? Good morning. How do you say good morning?
Umaga. Magandang umaga.
Or magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Okay, all right. 80% of the
Can I
time.
have one question?
Okay, go ahead.
Why did you come here?
Why did I come here?
Yeah.
I just love coming here.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're welcome in the Philippines.
Thank you. Hello. This is pork now. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful, huh? Can you guys see this? Yeah, this is why I love nature. Look at that. Miracle of God. Wow. That is amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful waterfall. I haven't seen one of these like in I don't know, decades. Look at this. Coming from way up there, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. We're just having fun, you know? Look at the kids down below. Hello. Oh, there's another one. Okay, I know what some of you may be thinking. Oh my God, he has never seen waterfalls before? No, I have seen waterfalls. Actually, I grew up in the countryside of Haiti where there's waterfalls. Okay, the thing is, I have not seen a waterfall in over 3 decades. I almost said centuries. Over 3 decades, because I live in the States. I mean, the part of the States where I live, there's no waterfalls there. There's no waterfalls near where I live. Okay, there are waterfalls in the States, but nowhere near where I live. That's why I'm going crazy. Okay, it's bringing back memories. And plus, I love nature. Like I keep saying in the video that I love nature, and I'm enjoying my time here in the Philippines, which I always do. You know, it's just one of the countries that I love visiting. I have a lot of Filipino friends. If you guys must know, I work with Filipinos. Yeah, they're some of the hardest workers I've ever worked with. You know, some of the best people ever. Yes, I know there's amazing people everywhere. Okay, everywhere you go, there's always the good, the bad, and the ugly. That's just life. Okay, but that's just I'm just here to enjoy. I'm enjoying nature. Where I live is called, like I said, Laguna. Yes, I just love being around nature. I love the natural thing. There's water. I mean, there's like fake waterfalls. Some parts of where I live, but it's man-made. Yeah, if it's man-made, it's artificial. It's not natural. And I'm more of a natural type of person. That's just me. I can't help it. How you doing? You good? Yeah. Yeah. You guys having fun? You having fun? Yeah. Wow, this morning it's packed. The first time I came here, it wasn't as packed. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh wait, I gotta go upstairs too. I gotta go up there. Not upstairs, but up there. You guys get what I'm saying? This is the Philippines. That's how people get down, you know? Just relax, have fun with their family members. Oh, it is, man. Excuse me. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna go up there now. Now I really have to be careful because it's very, very slippery. Yeah, this is where it gets like really slippery. So I have to be really careful. Woo! But I'm going up fast now. Like I'm in so much shape. I really am not, but whoa! Yes. Yeah. Gotta hold on to something. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's all I can say. This is why I love the province. I like going into town, but from time to time, it's not, you know, my favorite place to live. Some people like the crowded area, polluted area. Me, not for me. Look at that, man. This is miracle of God right there. Undefeated. Hey, how you doing? Yeah. Oh, no, there's nothing to hold on to here. So I just really, really have to be careful. Oh, there you are. See that? There we go. Oh yeah, absolutely beautiful, breathtaking view. I love this. Over the high-rise buildings. I'll take this anytime. So it goes from up there to down here, and then see that? Goes all the way down. Like a jungle. I love the jungle lifestyle. See that? Oh yeah. Okay, this is what I look like now. Sweaty. Just drenched in sweat. Hello. Going up this way now. Woo. Oh, but it was worth it though, you know. That's how we stay in shape. You walk, you sweat. Hello. More people are coming. Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
You good? Yeah. More people are going up to have fun. Whew. Man, it's a hot one. Oh my God. And it's not even a desert. It's a jungle. Forest. Wow. That was beautiful though. Hello. Yeah, more people, more people.